Hey guys, welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Let's check out this lockable grease fitting. Supposedly it can handle pressures up to 10,000 psi. It locks in place by just releasing these handles. You can see that the opening will release and lock on that zerk or that grease fitting. It's got a strong spring, standard coupler. Let's hook it up to a grease gun and give it a try. So I've loosened the current fitting that I have that I like a lot, which is a Lumax fitting. Now we're going to hook this one up. This is 14 millimeters. This is 14 millimeters. So we're going to tighten it up. We'll take it out. We'll run it through its paces. We'll hook it up to a couple grease fittings and give it a try. And I'm just going to put this on. Let it go. Wow, it seems like it has a good grip. Let's drive some grease in there. Yep, and it didn't leak. Let's see what happens when you take it off. A little bit comes out. Not terrible. I can live with that. So this 10,000 psi locking fitting for your grease gun seems like a good deal. I bought mine on eBay for $88.50, but they're certainly less than 10. It's worthy of considering. Consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. If you found this helpful, please click like. Comments are welcome.